Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my top tips and stretches on how to achieve your middle splits faster than you ever thought possible. And at the end I'm going to show you a cool hack on how to make yourself more flexible in a blink of an eye. Stay till the end. Before we get straight into the stretches, we've got to do some warm-ups to get our body moving first. So you're going to go into a squat here and hold for 30 seconds. And then once you've done that, you go up, down, and do each leg 30 times. Or a bit less. If you want to go for a challenge, do each leg 30 times. If you don't want to go for the challenge, just go each leg 15 times. After we do that one, we're going to do about the same thing, but we're going to start like this. And we're going to go pass through here and here. Do each leg 6 times at least. After that, don't go like this. Just put it down, push your knees down as far to the ground as you can. Hold it there and put your hands on your feet. If you want to go for a bit harder, try reach forward. The last warm up, you're going to go like this. I'll put my head up a bit so you can see how my legs are doing. And you're going to do that each leg 15 times. Now that our bodies are warm, you said it, let's get into the stretches. The first stretch you're going to do is you're going to put one leg to the side and you're going to go like this and you're going to go down and hold for 30 seconds and then go like this and just keep both your legs bent, and then you can do the other leg for 30 seconds and hold. Don't go like this, don't arch your back so then you're like this. You want to keep your tummy up and try and look at your hands. If that's too easy, straighten your arms, keep your tummy off the floor and go like this. And next one is you're going to go like this, arms up and hold for 30 seconds. Then once you've done that, other leg, hold for 30 seconds, then go into a straddle and roll forward into your splits and go as low as you can. You want to feel a stretch in your legs, but you don't want to feel too much pain. Hold for 30 seconds. Same thing, you want to try get your elbows out and relax into it. Try think of something comforting. That's what my dad would tell me. Think of something comforting, like talk to one of your family members or someone, and it can make yourself more comfortable. And just so you feel a bit more comfortable, you can use pillows and put it under you, and should make it a bit more comfortable. You won't be straight down in the splits, but it will make you more comfortable. If it still hurts, put another pillow, and then you want to try go all the way down. As you get more confident, you can start taking the pillows off. No. And then once you're confident, go into a straddle. And now roll forward and try sink right into your splits. If you can, try sit up. If you can't sit up and do the splits like this, you want to keep your hips in line with your legs. You don't want to be like this. You want to be here. If this is all you can get, it's okay. Just keep that position and try relax into it. If you can't go any more, but it's a bit easy, reach forward and hold for 30 seconds. Since you've been watching till now, as I promised you, I will tell you a cool little hack for you to be more flexible instantly before you start. What you're gonna do is you need to warm up your muscles. You can use this and you can roll your muscles out, or what I use, hot water bottles. So just roll it round and warm them up. It doesn't just have to be hot water bottles. You can use a blanket, you can use maybe some pillows, an hoodie, or something to keep it warm. I hope this hack will help you. Quick recap. For the cool hack, roll out your muscles with a roller. Warm up your muscles with something warm. If you do this at least 5 times a week, I guarantee you your splits will be perfect in no time. Just like this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more fun videos just like this one. Bye!